Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. If you're just joining me, every Wednesday I post a video showing the best deals I could find at Walmart for the week. So for this week, I was able to get all of these items for less than $4. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did that here in just a moment. I think my favorite deals this week may have been over at CVS, so if you haven't had a chance to check out my CVS video that I posted on Sunday, you definitely want to do that. There are some awesome deals going on over at CVS. If you enjoy the content of my videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, so let's get into these deals. There were a lot of freebies this week on the Ibotta app, but a lot of the Ibotta freebies I didn't have in my store. I'm still going to tell you about them. I did include them in the Google document that I posted in the video description below, but my store just didn't have a lot of them. So I don't know what's up with that, but I did have a few of them, so let me get started with those. The Perfect Bar, these are over in the refrigerated section. These are priced at $1.98, and Ibotta is giving $1.99 back, making it free and a 1-cent moneymaker. Over in that same area, you can find these Perfect Snacks. Again, they are priced at $1.98, but Ibotta is giving $1.99 back, making it free and a 1-cent moneymaker. The reason I like grabbing the freebies, one, they're free, and two, because it helps me get closer to the bonuses that Ibotta offers. So right now I have a bonus for, I think it's called Cold Hard Cash Bonus. For when I redeem any 36 offers, I will get $10 back. Now go ahead and check your bonuses in the Ibotta app because your bonus may be different than mine. It might be the same, I'm not sure. But those freebies help us get closer to that bonus without spending any money. So another great deal, and it says it's free after the rebate, but at my store this was priced a little bit higher, so I ended up paying a little bit. This Flow Alkaline Spring Water, it's priced at $1.98. Ibotta gave $1.68 back for buying it, as well as I had a 10-cent for any water purchase. So I got $1.78 back, making this just 20 cents. What I loved about these free waters, so the Zen water, the alkaline water, I believe there was another free water. Oh, the B1U water that I got last week. I keep these in my car, and I realize that if I keep it in my car, I end up drinking more water for the day. So that's kind of my strategy for getting more water every day. Okay, another great deal that I have done before is this Fairlife Creamer. It's priced at $2.68. Ibotta is giving $1.50 back, and the Checkout 51 app is also giving $1.50 back, making it free and a 32-cent moneymaker. So the Pringles were also a great deal. This Pringles Scorchin', these are priced at $1.48 each. There is a coupon that I will link in my Google document that you can print for $1 off any 4 Pringles purchase. So I paid $4.92 total for all 4 of these, but then Ibotta gave me 75 cents back on each one. So that was $3 back total, making these $1.92 for all 4, or just 48 cents each. So I know I saw somewhere, and I wish I could remember where I saw it, but someone said that these were on clearance at their store. So if you are able to find these on clearance, that's going to make for one super hot deal. They were regular price at my store, and again, $1.48 was the regular price on that. So these Bic whiteouts, these are priced at 97 cents each. And there was a coupon in the January 10th Smart Source for $2 off any 2 Bic products. So that coupon attaches to those items, making them free and a 6-cent moneymaker. So the next offer was on this Biotin mouthwash. It's priced at $3.84. There's a $1.50 off coupon from this week's Retail Me Not. So the January 24th Retail Me Not, $1.50 off, making it $2.34. But Ibotta is giving $1.50 back on this item, making it just 84 cents total. another great freebie is on these Listerine Ultra Cleans. These are priced at $1.97, but Ibotta is giving $2 back on this item, making it completely free and a 3-cent moneymaker. So down on the clearance aisle in my store, there were a ton of toys marked on clearance, but there's also still a bunch of school supplies. And I've done this a few times now, but the offer keeps resetting on these 5-star folders. So the different colors were different prices, which I thought was kind of weird. So the black folders, which happen to be my favorite ones, were the cheapest ones at my store. They were 25 cents, and Ibotta has a rebate for 50 cents back when you purchase any 2 5-star products. So I paid 50 cents and I got 50 cents back, making them completely free. And lastly, I'm going to do a little plug here for Persil. Too bad they don't pay me to do this. This is my favorite detergent. I bought this because there was a coupon offer and I tried it for the first time and I love it. It makes my clothes smell so clean. So these are priced at $4.94. There is a $2 off coupon in the January 17th Retail Me Not. So you would pay $2.94, but Ibotta is giving back $2 on this product, making it just 94 cents. But I also had a any laundry rebate giving me another 10 cents back. So total cost for this item, just 84 cents. And that's 15 pods. So depending on your laundry size, that's 7.5 to 15 loads of laundry. If I do like a large load of laundry, I'll throw in 2 packs of these. But I love this laundry detergent. I think it just smells so good. So Persil, if you need a representative for your product, I will be happy to be that for you. You just contact me and let me know. All right, I think that was it. I do want to mention some other items though. Like I said, there were a bunch of freebies. My store just didn't have them. So if you can find the Greek Gods 4-pack of yogurt, Ibotta says it's free after rebate and they have it priced at $3.48. So check your store for that, as well as the Greek Gods less sugar keto yogurts. Those are priced at $1.48. Ibotta is giving $1.48 back. A new one that popped up this morning, and again, my store just didn't have it, was the Kellogg's Joy Bowl. And that's priced at $1.98. Ibotta is giving $1.98 back, making it completely free. Coca-Cola with coffee, as if Coke needed additional caffeine. So that says it's priced at $1.88, getting $1.88 back. If y'all are able to find that, let me know where in the store you found it. I didn't even know where to look. Would it be in their little refrigerators up by the registers? Is it with the soda? I have no idea. I put it online. I typed it in to see if my store carried it and I didn't see it. So I didn't even really go searching for that one. Also, core bars. My store still doesn't carry the core bars, but there is still an Ibotta offer for it being free after rebate. So $2.24, getting $2.24 back. One last offer I want to tell you about is on the Mucinex. I didn't buy it because we did not need it, but it is priced at $6.97. There is a $5 off coupon that you can use, making it $1.97, and Ibotta will give $1 back on that product, taking it from $6.97 down to 97 cents, which is a fabulous price if that is a product that you need or use. All right, y'all, that is all for today. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Also, if you're not already following me on Instagram, would love to see you over there. I am at instagram.com/savewithchristina, as well as over on Facebook, which is facebook.com/savingwithchristina. Hope y'all are having a great week. Thanks.